Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Cadillac CTS versus XTS. We'll explore their key differences in performance, interior space, and overall design. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which luxury sedan best fits your lifestyle and driving preferences. Let's dive into the specifics of each model to highlight their unique strengths and characteristics. When it comes to performance, the Cadillac CTS generally offers a more engaging and dynamic driving experience. It often comes with engine options that deliver higher horsepower, making it feel more agile. In contrast, the XTS is engineered for a plush and serene ride, focusing on passenger comfort over aggressive handling. Its suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a smooth journey. Inside, the Cadillac XTS truly shines in terms of passenger comfort, especially for those in the back seat, offering generous legroom. The CTS, while luxurious, has a more driver-centric cockpit design, emphasizing control and sportiness. Both vehicles feature high-quality materials and sophisticated infotainment systems, providing a premium feel. However, the XTS prioritizes spaciousness, making it ideal for longer trips with multiple passengers. Considering features and overall value, both the CTS and XTS offer a compelling package, but with different priorities. The CTS often includes more performance-oriented features and advanced driver assist systems, appealing to those who enjoy a spirited drive. The XTS, on the other hand, frequently comes with more standard luxury amenities, enhancing comfort and convenience for all occupants. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize sportiness or ultimate comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.